Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, Tech Titan. Today guys, I want to talk with you guys about some of my new favorite electronics coming out this year, maybe even next year. One of the ones that I know a lot of people were anticipating was the smart glasses. I know that a lot of people were really hyped for the Google smart glasses when they did the trailers, and there was a bunch of YouTubers putting out the mock-up designs and stuff like that. But for me, I do think this is going to happen. I really do. I think that in 2 to 3 years, we can expect a large population wearing the Google glasses. Maybe not even Google's, maybe other companies will take a swing at it too. But I'm very excited to see what the future holds for these smart glasses, and as a matter of fact, other wearable electronics as well. And just to touch on that more, I think that it would be pretty cool in the future to see, like the Google glasses turn into more of a prescription lens that people are putting into their eyes with all the same technological features. Sooner enough it's going to look like cyberpunk in daily life, and I think that's wicked. The next thing I'd have to say I'm very pumped for would have to be the new phone designs. For me, it's pretty exciting every year to choose which phone to go with. Am I going to go with the iPhone, Android? Am I going to meet in the middle with the Pixel? I think it's a very cool thing to see what a lot of these tech companies are putting out in terms of new phone designs. Just keeping an eye on the press conferences too. I do see a lot of cool phones coming out in the near future here, and very bezel-less, I guess. This year and next year, we have a lot of rumors circulating around iPhones and Androids about the folding feature on the devices. I think this is going to be wicked if they're able to pull it off. Kind of like a flip phone with a full touchscreen display would be very impressive to have. I am very pumped to see the new releases of the iPhones, the Samsungs, the Note, and the Pixel. You've all seen it before firsthand, watching videos, maybe even playing it at a friend's house. VR. The new VR headsets, while integrated with great graphics right now, have a lot of performance updates coming. I definitely think that in the near future, VR will be just like the movies and TV are about. It's going to be crazy. The one thing I'm very excited for in the future of tech is watching movies and television in VR. You're being placed inside of what you're watching, being placed in the scene of what you're watching. I think that the advancement for VR is going to be great, and I definitely think you guys should hold your popcorn and get ready for some great movies and television if that's the case. The next thing I'm excited to see is the space technology. I know I've seen a lot of companies putting out space devices to see and record directly onto your phone into the sky. I think that the advancement for this is going to be crazy. For a person who's always liked looking up to the stars as a kid, I think that if you actually were able to take that and put it into everyone's home, and it would just be amazing. Our future generations, they're just able to sit on the back patio, put up the thing, and look directly into the sky, onto their smartphone or tablet. So I do definitely want to see some advancements in that. I'm very looking forward to seeing more and more space exploration and space devices come onto the market. Hear me out for a minute. Displays. How amped is your display going to get in the up and coming years? Is your TV going to hit 8K? Is that going to be the new standard? I know back when 4K was released, the price difference between that and an HDMI was crazy. How unimaginable would it be to have everyone playing on 8K displays and everyone watching TV on 8K displays? I do think this progression is going to be phenomenal with the brand new display, screen size, as well as the video and entertainment optimization. Lastly, the thing I'm probably looking forward to the most is AI. AI over the years has come a long way. We rely a lot on our devices like the Amazon Alexa to keep the time for us, to set alarms for us, and to set appointments for us. And now I want to see the future of that. getting in from the Amazon Alexa to something more advanced that can not only keep and store memories, but can also create based on your everyday lifestyle. I think that would be phenomenal into the advancement of tech. Guys, that is everything to today's video. So please, if you like our content, hit that subscribe button, leave us a like, give us a comment, share your love. And lastly, we are releasing new content every 2 days for the next 2 weeks. So please check out our other content and stay tuned.